A new chapter unfolds. Me and My Cat, all new, starts now on the WB. Everybody's in on the network. Me and My Cat.
Hey, Landon and Cletus, why are you angry with me?
You know why.
You know why me and Landon angry with you. It was another one of your fucking disasters. That's what it is. First you confronted Landon about Coda and Molly, then you made Landon trip and fall and hurt his leg. And worst of all, you dropped a big bombshell with the N-word. What's happening as a result of your naughty actions 5 days ago?
You heard Cletus. That caused a total fraud.
Look, I just don't understand why this has got to do with shit like this. Yeah, I messed up, but what about the things that Landon has done? He's never been hurt and spanked in his life.
My life is not the issue here.
No, King Pig, you don't understand that it caused an exposure. And all the things that has gone down. Everything you did in the past 5 days is your fault.
I agree with Cletus. One more false move, then the consequences can be very dire. Cletus, you know King Pig is a dumb little fuck.
What's all the racket down here?
Oh, hey, Normie and Molly. King Pig just did so many things that he did wrong. He even called me some bad names over the past 5 days.
What the hell?
Yeah,
He did the worst things he did 5 days ago.
yeah.
What did he do?
I'll explain. He confronted me about Molly and Coda. Then he put that rock right here and made me trip and fall and hurt my leg. And worst of all, he dropped a big bombshell and called me the N-word. That's why.
That dumb little fuck.
Yeah, that's what I always say.
I suppose I can speak to King Pig tomorrow.
That includes you, Molly. I don't want you talking to King Pig ever again.
And Cletus, I don't want you talking to Molly again. Alright, let's get inside the house. Hello, Paige and Red.
Hey, Landon. Why are you and Cletus mad at King Pig?
It always smells like orange peel beef over here.
We confronted King Pig for a reason. 1. He confronted Landon about Coda and Molly. 2. He made Landon trip and fall and hurt his leg. And worst of all, 3. He did drop the big bombshell with the N-word. And maybe I wouldn't done that if you stopped him.
Yeah. That happened 5 days ago, this exposure.
Oh, please. The only kids learn from racist words from the internet is because parents don't have patience to teach them.
Oh, come on, Paige. That He's just a stupid maggot.
What?
I don't yell, 'cause I'm a robot.
You're right, because you're a robot. Although I did tell Cletus not to talk to Molly.
And Mommy did tell Molly not to talk to King Pig ever again for 3 days.
Yeah, because of that. Hey, King Pig, me and Cletus are checking on you, along with Lube and Dado. Hey, you wearing a wire?
You fucking crazy.
That's Squawk. Put him down.
He fucking touches me, then make it easy on the saw.
Take them off. Everything.
Our console has reeled in the books in downtown Fayetteville. When I was coming up, this would never happen to do the rest of the work after all we'd done together.
Maybe you done. Fuck.
Do me a favor, and don't take it personally.
I said everything!
Go fuck yourself.
Before we were breaking balls. Now you're beginning to worry me and Cletus.
I guess you can call that a pair of pants up. Landon's dog Molly's pants.
Wow, Cletus. You just did a funny thing. It's killing.
Hey guys, there's someone fooling me and called me a sloppy robot. It's not a Nazi. It's an American initiative. Its name is Joey Sislak.
My God.
Oh, hell no. That's not good news. Maybe he's hiding in the closet in this house. Probably in your room page.
Okay.
Then we'll take a look.
But, King Pig, we can't go in there.
Why not?
'Cause they'll start attacking. That's why not. Luckily we got the weapons.
That's just a battle. They'll know they want to fight.
And if you go in there, they'll know they will do something bad to you.
Well, you and Cletus go in and take them down.
Okay. Okay. So you said, Paige, that they are hiding in the closet, and... Wait a minute. The closet door's open.
Wait a minute. What the hell? They're not in the closet.
Where did they go?
Look, the windows are open, and they're escaping in the car.
Cocksucker.
Then let's chase those cocksuckers with our van.
All right. Come on. Well, I think we're in Spooner Street in Berlin. Where the hell do they go?
Holy shit. They're hiding in the bushes. That's just a bad bitch from Stalin.
Did somebody said Stalin? Get those Jews.
All right, Cletus and Normie, you open fire while I beat up the assholes.
Not so fast, you American bitch.
Don't fucking call us Jews, you stupid bastards.
Mark my fucking words, you stupid American stupid asshole. Let's get the hell out of Spooner Street. To be continued in the next episode. This now concludes our broadcasting for this week of ATN7, WBCW, UPN, and the newest member, Discovery.
Thank you for watching me and my cat.
More episodes continues next Tuesday at 10 p.m. 9 Central.
For now, everyone is going to bed.
From everyone in this channel.
Good night, everyone from the city of Fayetteville, Arkansas.
We'll definitely see you tomorrow night.
Until then, this is Red, Coda, me, Normie, Cletus, Molly, and King Pig, over and out. Good night, everyone.